Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am going to install a diff locker on the rear of my Typhon. I stretched it out, so I'm locking it for speed runs and drag, whatever I decided to go to. I'm gonna try to do some speed runs and then maybe turn it into a drag car. We'll see. So I got from SpeedTek RC. I got the 2 cups. You can buy it this way, okay? And then I got the locker that goes inside any of the 6S line of Arrma. It'll fit in any of them, even the center diff it'll fit in. So, which I have one here, I think. So even if you wanted to lock this and just use, instead of, I got a speed spool in there from SpeedTek that I'm using. But if you wanted to pull this apart and stick that in there, it'd work in the center diff too, okay? So it'll work in any diffs. And I already installed the front one. And I had a little mess up because that's my own fault for being dumb. Something that was easy that I didn't do, so that was my fault. So I'm going to show you guys the rear because I hacked it up pretty bad. I never installed a diff.
I tried to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. You're mine.
My JJ Customs hat. He's selling these. $25 a beanie. It's got threads in the back.
It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. I tried to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. I tried to let go.
So let's put this here. We have this here. Okay, let's open this is the locker. Okay. I said you can buy it 2 different ways. You can buy it by itself here. comes with a sticker. And if you notice, let's bring it back in, how he cut these. He cut the flat side on this side, and then on the opposite side, he cut the flat side on this side. And that way the rotating mass is even, okay? So it's all square. This side's missing, and then this side's missing. That way when it's spinning, right? So it's nice and even, so it keeps everything even. If you did them both on the same side, it would be like a tuka, right? Here's the 2 cups for it. Comes with 2 grub screws, 2 nice cups. Look how thick those things are. I did use red Loctite because I don't plan on taking it apart. And if you do, you can use heat to get it. You just want to be careful because this is plastic, but these probably aren't too much, I imagine. I imagine they're probably only like $10 a piece or something like that, you know. And you see how it's got the spacer on this side and not on this side? Well, this goes down in because of how the way it's mounted down in there and concaved a little bit down there. So that goes down on the bottom there. So you stick that in there and line it up, and it's going to be tight, guys. I take the bearing off is what I'm going to do. I am going to he took the cup and put the cup on there, which you can, I imagine so. And I'm going to do that. How about that? Nah. If you have a washer, let's do that. Let's take the cup. Okay. And put the cup in there. It fits in there actually pretty good. Okay. And then I'm going to take this. In the front, that's why I'm going to explain to you guys. In the front, I just hit the top of it and it mushroomed the top of this out a little bit. So if you have like a brass hammer, be perfect. This is aluminum, so be careful. I took my Dremel and just dremeled the edge of it, smoothed it out quite a bit, you know, and then it worked fine for sliding stuff over. So, but I think this is going to be better putting something here on the edges like that. Okay, everyone should have a socket or something of the nature to go around that, and then make sure it's lined up, right? Make sure it's going to go in the 4 squares. Okay, and then just take your socket and just start getting it down in there. You want it to be flush, so make sure you hit it all the way down in there. I think I can go just a little bit more on it. And it's tight, guys. It's there, that's much better. Nice and flush, okay? And you should be even on both sides when you put your piece on, and it should be pretty even on both sides, okay? Bam.
All of the nonsense that you put me through, I give it up to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you
you go. Your diff is locked. So we're going to take this one now. And I suggest if you don't want to grind these down, which you don't have to on the back, on the center one I did, like I said, I'll put that video up there. Get your Dremel out. Because on this side, when you put this one in, you need to put your spacer in there first, your shim. Otherwise, it won't fit over the grub, the screw, okay? You need to put that shim in there. And I'm using red Loctite, guys. I know half of you are gonna cringe, but that's and I'm not getting crazy with it. Make sure you're on the flat spot. Okay. Crank it down. I like to wipe off any excess so it's not overpowered there. And so we rotate this 180 to get that one over here. Okay, and then this one had a shim on the outside. I'm gonna put it on there. I don't see any reason for it, but we will put it there. Let's red Loctite on this one. And I know blue Loctite you can get off. So yes, if you want to use blue Loctite, excuse me, if you want to use blue Loctite, go ahead. You know, it's your prerogative, right? It's your car. Do what you want. And if you're gonna change it around a lot, you know, you just need to keep an eye on it, because it will back out when you're doing speed run, guys, or hitting, you know, doing your hard hits, drag racing and all that kind of stuff, you know. So okay, there you go. Man, look at that. So pretty.
It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right. It's right. nonsense that you put me through. I give it up to you, I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited, you wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine.
Okay, so there you go, the locks. So now from SpeedTek RC, I got the spool in here with a 34 tooth spur gear. I believe that's what it is, whatever the limitless is. I can't remember what I put in there, guys. Sorry. Let's see, I got all this, what I all have in here. 34 tooth spur in here right now, with a 27 tooth pinion. This is on the stock motor, which I will be switching out. I'm probably gonna run it like this real quick. Give it a little test run just to see what it'll do. Because I do have the 27 tooth, I think it's a Techno, but it's a 5mm. So I have that in there. Right. And then I have the both front and rear locked. I put the front in already. That's where I was telling you I messed up. Learned from my mistakes. Like I said, you can always fix it. Just used my Dremel and got the edges a little bit so I could get the cup over it, because the cup wouldn't slide over it. So yep, it was easy, guys. Yeah, there you go. So now we're just gonna test it. We're gonna run it, and then like I said, we'll upgrade to that TP motor and the Mamba Monster X 8S. I do have to get some extensions, either made up or yeah, I'll have to get some extensions made up. I couldn't find any 8mm bullets right now, because the TP motors do have 8mm bullets on them. So I'm gonna go 8, and then I guess the Mamba Monster X 8S has 6 in it, so we'll go, or 6.5, so we'll do a little extension for it, because it's gonna be way back here, you know, and then it's gonna be here, so the wires are only gonna come to here, so I need to go to there, right? So that's what we're gonna do now, guys, but we're gonna go test this out. We'll put the wing back on, put some I might try just the Hoon tires on it. We'll see. I got GPRs too, or GRPs that I have from racing my Typhon, whatever that is. All right, try those out. See what we can get. S5s. I think I have some S4s too that we were racing with. So, right. So there you go. I know it's taken a while, but thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a good day.